Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just gonna jump right into the video today, guys. It's a fun little one today. I will be basically just quickly describing a fun Bella Hadid, supermodel Bella Hadid, her makeup, more specifically her eyeliner, winged eyeliner look that she is very famous for. She's definitely one of, if not the most famous model on the planet, in the world today, but definitely one of the top girls. So this will be fun. I've already done a basic kind of look that she usually would have, that I've noticed just in a couple of photos that I had researched on her. So mainly it's kind of just like a pretty basic, like your concealer and, lining your brow, just mascara, and specifically, I do notice she does do a bit of a highlighting stick on the bridge bone of her nose. So that gives a nice highlight on the top of her nose. I did contour my nose just a little bit to give it a little bit more of a Bella Hadid shape to my nose, and a little bit of brown eyeliner, just on the, sorry, not eyeliner, brown eyeshadow, just above the eyelid, which is what the black eyeliner that I will be using to duplicate her look will be sort of blending into. I will be leaning in a little, sorry, I will be leaning in a little bit more as I do it, I think. But yeah, it's quite cat-like, her eyes. I do believe that her eyes are a little bit more cat-like and long, like horizontally, than mine. Mine are a little bit more round and wide-eyed, or whatever, however you call it, sorry. And I think I'm just gonna see if I can actually, you know what, I don't know if I can actually see this well enough to do an eyeliner, to stick something in my eye on the viewfinder here on my phone. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna describe what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and I'm gonna be looking into my trusty compact here. So yeah, again, girls, it's quite cat-like. So I'm just gonna go right in and start at the inner corner of my eye, and just go along, and try not to poke myself in the eye. I know, you girls know the struggle is real sometimes with the eyeliner. I didn't want to go for the liquid eyeliner today, girls. So I'm just doing a nice dark black pencil, and doing quite like a dark look, and gonna go right above. Okay, maybe I'll stop talking. Maybe I'll stop talking for just a second while I'm actually completing the cat eye Bella Hadid look. Here we go, guys. It's almost done. The top is almost finished, so that's nice. And again, you know, it's quite, sometimes it's challenging, but it's still doable to do, you know, to duplicate someone's look, especially if you have kind of like similar, sort of similar like features or whatever. Obviously, some people's look you can't really duplicate, but I picked Bella Hadid just because I have a little bit, you know, I've got something to work with there, you know, so that's what I'm doing. Not saying in any way, shape, or form that I look like Bella, that I think I look like Bella Hadid, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean. We all kind of see qualities sometimes. And now I'm just completing the look. So I think that's quite cat-like there. And yeah, it's looking, I haven't really practiced this too much. And it actually looks quite kind of decent. So there we go. That's one eye. And then we're gonna do the other one real quick here. Ooh, that one a little wonky. So yeah, again, I'll just start with the top, go along the top, and along the top of the lid above the lashes, lash line. I'm gonna try to press quite hard because on camera it really doesn't show up quite well unless you put a lot on. So it's kind of cat-like there. And I think that's pretty much what it is, how it looks. Yeah. Nice winged look there. I'm quite impressed, guys. I haven't really practiced this much. But that's the look right there. Clean it up just a little bit here. And again, this is just like a quick, if you're feeling kind of feisty one day and you want to, you know, do a little Bella Hadid style makeup look, then you can now also duplicate it as well, as I have shown you now. And so yeah, it's not too bad actually. I think the top of the other one needs a little bit more, so let me just go in. There we go, just so the look is complete. So is that looking quite cat-like? Okay, let me just fix it up. Blend it into the black. And there we go. Just, you know, if you want to you know, kind of like a nice evening look. Obviously, there's no problem in going out if you're so inclined during the day. If you would like to, that's great, like this. However, I just think it's a nice little touch to add to your day makeup as well, if you want to go from day to night to evening. So yeah, guys. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this little Bella Hadid, supermodel Bella Hadid eyeliner tutorial. And for more of my videos, you can just hit subscribe and like the video, comment, all that good stuff. I am releasing more and more videos very regularly on this channel as well. So go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now, everyone.